Hello and welcome to California Geology. I am your instructor, Robert Lopez, for this summer session course. And here I'm on the dashboard, so all of you will be using Canvas. Dashboard, you'll see our Geology 15 class, section 5185 here. You'll click on that and that should take you straight to the home page. Now in this home page, you'll find the textbook and my contact information, and I'll post this video that I'm making now also on this home page. And then the next thing I want you to do is look at the syllabus, which is this next tab down here. And on the syllabus, make sure you read through this carefully. There is a syllabus quiz that's due on June 18th, coming up in a few days here. And again, contact information, the textbook. I do provide the first few chapters of the book for you as PDF files, but any more than that and I get in trouble from the publisher. So make sure you get the book, because you'll see that every week there's going to be about 3 to 4 quizzes on lecture or textbook reading materials here. Now, read through the course themes, have some questions about the course themes in the quiz there. And then the key thing down here is looking at the contract and how many hours you're expected to spend on this course per day. Here I have it per work week, Monday through Friday, 3 to 4 hours per day. Obviously, you can extend that over the weekend to make those fewer hours during the week. But this course will require time because we're compressing a 16-week semester into a little bit less than 4 weeks. It's really a time requirement here to do well in this class. Now, the next topic here are exams, and we see that for exams, you get one attempt, but the exams are not timed, so you get plenty of time. Don't stress about them. Just make sure you have good internet connection. You'll see that in this course, I'll have a number of video lectures that I present, and you should take notes on those video lectures because I have a series of study questions that go with each lecture topic. Then I select questions from those study guides in making the course exams, right? So if you can answer those study questions, then you should be in good shape for the exams. And here's a little bit of information about some of the exams coming up in the final there. Now, for the quizzes, these are also not timed, but I give you 2 opportunities to take this quiz, and I give you the better, the 2 scores. And then here I talk a little bit about the syllabus quiz. For homeworks, because we're compressing everything in a little bit less than 4 weeks, we'll see that the homeworks will be due on Tuesday nights and Saturday nights. And you'll see that I'll present the course in the modules tab, and we'll talk about that in a moment. And you'll see all the due dates that are going to be on there. And then you can kind of read more about that there. There's some grading scales, student expectations, and then hear a little bit about the tentative course schedule, right? And so here I have some of the topics and their due dates here. Now also at the bottom here, we'll see the exam schedule. So those are already published and posted. Another thing about this course, depending on how much time you have, if you have extra time 1 week, you can work ahead because the whole course is published and it's available to you. If you work 10 hours a day, you could probably finish this course in less than 2 weeks. So the course is all available to you and you can finish and work ahead. Another important part here toward the bottom of the syllabus is this course summary. And the course summary has dates, and these are the Tuesday, Saturday dates. Tuesday, Saturday, the first exam due June 27th. So in other words, coming up this Tuesday or next Tuesday, June 18th, we'll see that we have these assignments due. And then on Saturday, these assignments will be due. So those are the different assignments that are due on those particular days. And you see we're going all the way through June 12th, which is the last day of the class, although I'm allowing an extra day here for the final. So the final is posted, but I'll give you to midnight or 11:59 on Saturday, June 13th to finish up that final exam. Now let's look at the modules. So the modules tab is here, and this is where we present the course. And so the first module just has a textbook information. Also in this module, we have a discussion forum. So if there's any questions you have, you can open up a forum or ask a question to fellow students. So this is questions from students, for students from students. And then especially if you're trying to answer some of these study questions that I have for my different lectures, you can pose some questions here to other students and maybe somebody will help you out there. So now the first module is this provinces, and you'll see that each module will have a learning guide, and in the learning guide are a series of checklist where you can see what is due for this particular module or assignment. And then you'll see that they'll have the video lectures. So this is an intro lecture. I'm actually going to put that intro lecture on the home page. But you'll see here will be the syllabus quiz. And then here are the online lectures for the California geomorphic provinces. And when you click on that, you'll see the videos, right? So each video is about 15 minutes or less. And then here I have 2 videos for this one here talking about kind of an overview of California geology and the different geomorphic provinces. And then for each video topic, there will be the study questions. Here are the study questions. And literally I take these questions and at least for this first one, I put them into that quiz, but I'll take them and put them on the exam, right? So you should be able to answer these questions while you're watching the video. So take notes and maybe have these study questions with you as you're watching and taking notes on my video lectures. So looking at the Chapter 2 module on minerals, also due June 18th, which is Tuesday. Note that we have this learning guide. If you click on that learning guide, you'll see the checklist. You'll want to complete these tasks for this module. There's a discussion forum. You'll watch my online lectures, take notes, and complete the study questions in preparation for the exam. One thing about these study questions, you don't turn those in. Those are for your reference, for your study and preparation when you're taking the exam here. And then we have the Chapter 2 reading quiz on minerals, and then you're going to read the chapter in your textbook as well. Then if we go over to the next part of this module, you'll see I have my video lectures here, all on minerals. I have 4 videos here, each around 15 minutes or less. And then on this one here, if we go next, we'll see the study questions here. And then again, I'll take questions from here for the exam. And then as we go to the next topic here in this module is the quiz. And remember this quiz, you get 2 attempts. I keep the highest score and it's not timed, right? No time limit, right? So in other words, for this minerals textbook, make sure these are questions from the textbook, not from my video lectures. And then finally, for the discussion forum, you're gonna download this U.S. Geological Survey fact sheet on rare earth minerals or rare earth elements, and then look about their importance and talk about their importance into the California and modern lifestyle. So going back to the syllabus and just kind of remind you of reading this in preparation for the syllabus quiz, and then at the bottom, the course summary where all the assignments for this course are posted and available to you, right? For all the way from June 18th here, which the first assignment's due next Tuesday, and then all the way through the final exam here. Well, anyhow, that's it for now, and good luck in this course. We'll see you online.